How's it going, people, and welcome back to Slenderman Shadow, and today we are going to jump right into it. We are going on to Hospice. That is probably the quickest intro I've ever done, but let's get on with it. Right, okay. Collect all 8 pages. Pretty simple objective. Never played this one, but right, let me just change my sensitivity again. I always do this on... Whoa. Right, so, okay, that's decent. Right. Okay, what have we got? We've got some graffiti. Can I run? Yes, I can. Does this just go back to where I... Yeah, right, okay. Okay. Stop breathing! Right. No, but... I thought this was going to be like a square set of rooms. Is there? Screw to stare. Well, tell fucking Mr. No Eyes that. Right. Okay, so he's after me now, isn't he? Did I just come from this way? No, I didn't. Right. Okie dokie. Come on. Oh. There's got to be one here, surely. We're going into the gents. Are they showers? Jesus Christ. Oh. Came from the forest. I already know that. Fuck. I have no idea where I am. You should have a map in this. Actually, no, that'd be cheating, wouldn't it? Come on. Where are all the other pages? Boo. Yes, always watching. There's not going to be one in here. No, I knew it. Shit, where is the bugger? Ah! Ah! Fuck! Shit! Oh god, that made me jump. Where is the bugger? Right. Let's go again. Okay, I need to try and remember where they were. Alright, we're going to go this way, actually. I always click... What do I click? Control to run. Washing powder. Okay. Right, there wasn't one in there, was there? There's one in here. Yep, I remember that much. Oh, crap. Is there one in here now? Bet there will be. Bet you there will be. Knew it. Always watching. Fuck off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So anyway, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well, you know. I hope your lives are going tip-top. Oh, there's one in here, wasn't there? Lots of people have exams now. Just wishing you all luck with them. I'm sure all of you will do very well. Right. Okie dokie. No pages anywhere here. I am recognising the place. Oh fuck! I am recognising the place. I've just been here. That's why I'm recognising it. Right, I need to get over to where that fire barrel was again, which I have no pissing idea where it was. It must be like the other side of these toilets. That's what I could imagine. Whoa! Don't stumble. There's shit all over that door. Come on, you bastard. Where are you? He's not behind me. Aha! There's an interesting glow on that. Oh, you fucking arsehole! Fuck it, 2! Fucking, that's a joke. Right. Where the fuck are the pages? Give me all the pages. Right, I'm completing it this time. And... well, I haven't been in this room. But there's nothing in it anyway. Oh. How the bloody hell did I get there? Come on. It was on that door last time, and it still is. I'm going to save my sprint. Come on. Where's my pages? Actually, fuck saving my sprint. I can't be arsed moving that slowly. We haven't been down there, have we? It's not behind me. Oh! No one survives. I survive, because I'm a survivor. Shit, where is he? Oh fuck, I'm getting out of there. Is that one? What does that say? Out of sight, out... does that say out of sight and not out of mind? Fucking hell, we've got 3. That's decent. Whoa! Always hunting. We're on 4, ladies and gentlemen. We are on 4. And we... oh! Took my girl, now coming for me. We're on 6. No, we're on 5. Okay. Ah! You... ah! Fucking bastard. Right. One more go. One more go and then that's it. That is a shortcut, isn't it? Yes, it is. Right. Okay, I need to try and remember where they are. Right, there was one in here. Oh, fuck's sake, why do they always disappear? One in here. In here. Oh, this is bloody marvellous, isn't it? Right, it's definitely... oh, thank God it's there. Right, there was definitely one back this way. Now I just need to find it. I bet you it'll be in this room. I will owe you money. Fuck. Where the... ooh. Where have they gone? Oh my god, I nearly missed that. Jeez, you would have been screaming at me. No! Right, I'm fucking done. Like, as soon as he shows up, you can't piss and get away from him. Fuck off. Right, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. What have we got next? Elementary. Elementary, dear Watson. Shut up, Reese. Fucking hell, it's pissed me off. Like the video, subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.